Display size. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 6.8 inches. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 6.6 inches. Display resolution. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 1260 into 2844 pixels, with 460 ppi density. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 1080 into 2340 pixels, with 390 ppi density. Display type. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is LTPO OLED. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Super AMOLED. Display protector. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Kunlun Glass 2. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Operating system. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is EMUI 14.2 International. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Android 14, One UI 6.1. Chipset. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Kirin 9010. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Exynos 1480. Processor. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is octa-core processor. Samsung Galaxy A55 is octa-core processor. GPU. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Maloon 910. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Eclipse 530. RAM. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 12 GB. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 6 GB, 8 GB, and 12 GB. ROM. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 128 GB and 256 GB. Front camera. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 13MP wide-angle camera with HDR video recordings. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 32MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Back camera. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 50MP wide, 48MP telephoto, and 12.5MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 50MP wide, 12MP ultra-wide, and 5MP macro camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, CDMA 2000, LTE, and 5G. Samsung Galaxy A55 is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 5050 mAh battery, with 100 watt fast charging. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watt fast charging. Spec winner.